The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Highland County, northeastern Warren County, southeastern Greene County, southern Fayette County, Ohio, northern Clinton County, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:44 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Waynesville, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, any-size hail. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Savannah, Leesburg, Washington Courthouse, Greenfield. In addition, Mount Holly, Cedar Creek State Park, Harveysburg, State Route 350 at U.S. Route 22, Clarksville, New Burlington, Kingman, and Oakland are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 between mile markers 33 and 59. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
A severe thunderstorm warning